So hi everyone, again welcome back to my channel. So we are developing from scratch without or no use of or very minimal amount of use of AI if required. So till now we are in the now we have started the development and we are developing starting with the front end. We have built sign up view and login view and we are building homepage view. So till now we have done those parts and let's track first from the Jira that what the task has been done and where we are proceeding, where we are going, and what next could be done. So we are on the Jira page. So here you can see the list. So now we have completed the UI design and we are in the progress of front end development. In that we have built the component of the sidebar and now we are building the different view. We have built the login sign up and we are in the home page. So it is in progress and we can see today is the due date. So we need to finish that. So let's look how much we have completed till now. So till now we have completed this much. And now there is an icon. These things are there already in there. So let's wait for those things. And now instead of like button, I'm thinking to add a icon. So it's an image, right? Currently. So let's get back to the code and we can see it's an image. Now we want to add an icon. How to do that? So I was going through something and I found this thing. Icon can be added using view3 icon. So we will use this command to install that. So let me add a new terminal, Ubuntu terminal, and paste this command. So let's wait for some installation and now we will look for icons. So by the time it is getting started, so let's search for some icons. Icon for uh, like, icon for heart, like button. Now we see this. So it doesn't have SVG, so we will look different other things. And we will use font awesome. So we will see. Yeah, this is solid. So we will not do solid, we will do this part. So now we can see the classes and also those things, and we will use a similar class option. What we do, we will import this thing. So you can see here, we can directly use this template by importing this thing. So we will import this thing and import function should be there. And now instead of that image, what we will do, we will uh, add similar type of thing. we will use this. In place of that, and now we will use the fav icon, fa solid, fa heart. So let's restart. Line number 35 said it requires some colon, expected comma. Now in that we found these things. So let's go into terminal and run the command npm run dev. So let me try that. What? There's no item like this. So let's search for this. Now for this, we can use the AI to understand what is this. Because we are not getting that content. Find correct code for view. Just this much. So now in that, So it's saying we have to do this as well. So let's do this. And now what are these things? So one thing I can see is the font awesome icon which will be used, and it is a library which is adding these tasks here. And now it is saying to instead of using SVG icon, we will be using this part, font icon. So we have to add that here as well. So here where it is added in the main.js, where we have to import font awesome, and we have to add that in the component. And now app.component, what we will add? We will add font awesome icon, comma font awesome. Now let's get back to things, and it is saying so it is saying this doesn't exist. So let's see what it says. It might say to install some packages, or let us see is that package there. Oh, we made a mistake. Sorry for that. We have to come to front end, and then we have to add this. And then we have to stop the server and restart it. So let's wait for a few minutes. It will add those things. So now in the package.json, we will see font awesome SVG, font awesome has been added. So now let's see, is that running? again it's showing some error, and error in the free solid SVG icons. And in here we can see free solid SVG icon. So we are not getting this. Now that is the thing we will ask. So it's saying to install this. Again, we will do the same thing. We will install those things. We'll stop this and then restart this after installation. Wait for a few minutes. Now we will see some things will be added. Now it's by the time let's go to this old code and see. First, let's check with this. If this runs now, then fine. Otherwise, we will good to go with the other one. There is something. But it's not visible. So let's get back to those things. Instead of SVG icon, we have to make font icon. This and we have to import these things. So yes, you can see now it is changing the color, and now we can see it is changing the color. It's fine, but it's changing in everything. So that will be set up by with the help of the API. Whenever there is a like, it is like for the specific ID, we will create a function for that. So yeah, now our homepage is ready. We can see these things. It's changing. Now we will add a number here if required. So yeah, our homepage is ready for today. So now in progress, and let's finish that home page. We will come back to everything of these things after integrating with the API in the backend development and integration part. So now we are good to go. Everything is ready. The icon is ready, so we can even try icons in the login and sign up page if required. Otherwise, we will tomorrow we will move to other pages. That is one of the add post, comment, notification of profile. Any of those pages. So we have added post in here. So we will see add post there. Fine. So yeah, today it is good to go. So thank you. So let's come back tomorrow and we will do this. Thank you everyone.